Okay, this afternoon we're going to go for a test drive in my Porsche 914 2-liter 1973. The 914 shares a lot of components with Volkswagen. Most people consider them to be a Volkswagen and not really a Porsche. I think they were built in a Volkswagen factory, clearly sold by Porsche parts, etc. One of the strangest things about the 914, I think, is if you can see it, the gear pattern. Reverse is where first would normally be, down is first, up for second. I'm constantly getting used to that as a change, but anyway, I missed it this second. 1969 to, which I think was actually a 1970 model, to 76. They made a 914-6, which was just right at a 2-liter, maybe slightly larger, and it was a 109 horsepower. This car, 914. 2-liter, which is a 4-cylinder, puts that right at 100 horsepower. But the car is 2,100 pounds, and it has a 5-speed, so it's a nice cruising car. As you probably see, if you look at the walk-around video or pictures, if you don't know anything about the car, mid-engine, engine's right behind this is the firewall. It's got two trunks, front and rear. Neither are very big. I don't think either will fit a set of golf clubs. But I will say, for this car, even though it was not, it's a fun car to drive, and it's being the mid-engine. They're starting to come on. I think you're starting to see 914s gaining some value. So I think as all the other Porsche products